Well, boys and girls, it's time to get a computer over here at the Walmarts. Yep, the Walmarts. Is this thing blurry for real? I do not want to have the same problem with the blurriness with this camera that I had with the last camera. So I beat Bo out here, and he just texted me. He had texted me if I was close, and he said, "You close?" And I sent him that picture. I said, "Kinda." And then he said, "Like a boss." You at Clinton. I'm just kind of hoping now that once I got here, I'm actually at the right Walmart, and he wasn't talking about a different Walmart, because then that would just be awkward. Doing what again? Oh no, I don't think I'm at the right Walmart. Oh crap. Well, update, I am not at the right Walmart. I was at the Walmart that's closest to Bo's house, but that's not the one he was talking about. I'm technically at the Walmart in Knoxville, not at the one in Clinton. But it's off Clinton Highway, and I told Bo that we need to have a day where I just kind of learn the layout of the land. You'd think living in this area 2 times over the past like 10 years, I'd basically have an idea of where things are, but I'll get it eventually. Well, Bo decided to show up finally. I was thinking it would have been hilarious if like I saw Connor walk around the corner and I would have been like, "Oh crap, Bo, no, wait, I'm at the right one."
Call Bo quick.
Bo just pointed out to me that this computer not only has the 8 GB of RAM for memory that we need, but it also has his name.
Score.
Score.
It's one for the books.
Right. So they didn't have this one in the back, but we're looking at this one, and they're gonna see right now if they have any in the back. This one is actually like touchscreen, and even though you can't really, it's like touchscreen. It's got the same kind of setup as this, it's just not as big, but just looking to see if they have any in the back. What do you think about it?
I think that we probably have 7 of those.
He's not wrong, they probably do. Well, now that we got the computer, now we are stocking up on some food. Because I know you guys are probably thinking, "Oh, well, Jordan, I thought you were going to be herping and stuff like that whenever you're down there." Well, little tip for you guys is that if you're going to be out herping and stuff, you need to be well nourished. Yeah, that's the word I was looking for. Well nourished.
Well nourished.
Well nourished. Lots of good food. Eat your protein, your eggs, your bacon, your milk. You know, because you're going to lose a lot of good nutrients through all your like sweat and perspiration when you're out there. You know, it's really exhausting. So you gotta get your energy up.
Makes sense.
Yeah, right. So that's what we're doing right now.
Yeah.
We're prepping for the herping videos.
Yeah. And
By
everybody
Frosted
knows
Flakes.
that Frosted Flakes has the best vitamins and minerals, nutrients that your body needs.
It's true. Yeah, it's science. Look it up.
Yep.
Google it. All right, Bo. What are we doing?
I have a celebratory
shot to new computer, food.
We have food.
And a
lots of
new
food.
chapter.
New chapter.
New chapter. There we go.
Yeah, I don't do that very often.
I forgot why. Now I remember why I stopped doing it.
Yeah, let's not do that.
Nope. Why do you work third shift though?
Cigarettes.
Because taking a shot at 6:53 a.m. would seem like a problem if you didn't. Alright, so he's about to crash because he's still got to get up. But in the meantime, I am in the process of downloading the editing software. So, at least we got a new computer, right?
Yeah, we got a new computer.
Right, I mean, come on. And food. Alright guys, well the vlog is up. Got everything going. Editing software is on there. Vlog is live now. So I'm gonna take a little bit of a nap, wait until Bo gets up, and then he's planning on getting up around 2. He don't have to be work till 5, so I'm not sure what we're gonna get into in that short little time frame, but we'll see. But yeah, I'm gonna take a little nap. I'm exhausted.